on. She opened up and back.
Big boy, Ivan. You putting numbing cream?
Be out in a second.
I'm back. Who's screaming? I was out. Come on.
So how did this injury occur?
Ivan.
No.
Ivan, do not pull back. Big boy. Big boy.
Did it occur, Ivan?
Stop, I haven't done anything.
Did it occur like,
Big boy.
were you trying to staple something?
Oh.
Oh my God, blood.
How did you get it out that quick and the nurse couldn't get it out?
Blood.
Well, you just didn't grab it. Just here, pinch up here.
Big boy. Oh.
Pinch.
Pinch, Ivan.
Ivan.
I can't I need some muscle at the top.
Okay.
That was quick.
That's the end of that story.
Ivan.
You want me to...
Neosporin.
Neosporin? Okay.
And yesterday was a tetanus shot.
Yes, did y'all still check though?
Oh, you want me to check on the internet?
What? That's up to you guys.
Yeah, 'cause I don't want nothing to happen if he needs.
He has all his
He's up to date. Yeah. Alright. How old are you?
Like your boots.
He said he like your boots.
Yeah, thanks.
You crazy boy.
Oh. Come on.
Hmm? Alright, I'm not seriously. I need to pinch his...
Hold it.
Alright. Pinch.
Just hold it.
Pinch.
So it can stop. Ew, don't make that face.
Pinch like this.
Go like that so you can stop the blood.
And right there.
Stop making that. Ivan.
Yeah, it's just blood, Ivan. Your body's full of it. Can you hold that for a few minutes? You all right? No, can he...
Yeah, he's a big boy. Hold it so it can stop the blood.
Stop. Guys. Take this out of that. Please hold my back in.
Oh, you gotta hold it tight so that the blood can stop so you can put the Band-Aid and stuff on it. See, they got it out quick. See? You better hold it. Crazy. Hold it tight, Ivan. You are not.
Exhale.
You are so extra. Stop blowing that breath.
It's recording this, Mom. Mom, I'm gonna delete it, Mom. I'm gonna delete it.
Delete what?
Please, because I've been able quickly. Please, because I've been on quickly.
One thing.
Because I don't really on quickly.
If I rush and when you mess up, I have to turn back off to another one.
Yeah, but. No, wait, wait. No, I need a bit. I need to sit up.
Do that.